BJP's political appetite seems to be insatiable. Amit Shah seems to be working tirelessly towards ensuring the party mechanically keeps increasing its foothold in every state. After his eventful rally in West Bengal, he is in another state close to BJP's heart, Assam. The BJP has managed to do really well in the local body elections. The results of Bodoland Territorial Council and Tiwa Autonomous Council have given BJP a clear edge. The party has increased its hold in the northeastern state. The BJP swept the Tiwa Autonomous Council, winning 33 of the 36 seats up for grabs. But the biggest challenge for the BJP will come in the form of Citizenship Amendment Act. Both Assam and West Bengal are equally important for the BJP. One is a state the party is already in power in alliance, and the other a prestige battle with Mamata Banerjee. Citizenship Amendment Act is an emotive issue in both the states. It's going to be difficult for the BJP to ensure it maintains the same stance in both West Bengal and Assam. Interestingly, in his roadshow in Bengal, Amit Shah said that Citizenship Amendment Act will be implemented as soon as vaccination for COVID-19 starts. He said the work had been halted by the pandemic and will resume soon. The raging debate over CAA was reignited after this statement. Both Assam and West Bengal saw the fiercest protests against Citizenship Amendment Act for their own reasons. In West Bengal, CAA could work in BJP's favour. Mamata Banerjee has opposed the law. In West Bengal, the protests have been against discrimination of Muslim illegal immigrants, whereas in Assam, it is against easy citizenship of illegal migrants. Indigenous Assamese believe the law would bring in and legitimize Hindu minorities from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. In Assam, the protest was against non-Indian Bengali Hindus. Now when Amit Shah is in Assam, he is expected to make a statement over these fears, but any statement made here would be heard loudly in West Bengal as well. It is expected that the BJP will use Citizenship Amendment Act to polarize votes, but it's not going to be an easy narrative. It's an emotive issue that could even go against the party. Going by the recent results in Assam and West Bengal, it seems like BJP might have cracked the code. But it's the months close to the assembly elections that will really decide the fate of the party.